Overdrive, master guide, power steering, and a porthole hardtop.
Porthole hardtop. Here we go. We're going to get to 50,000. 50,000 into the pin. We're going to 50 bid, 40 bid, 40,000 into the pin. We're going to 10,000, 15,000, 10,000 here. 15,000 into the pin. 12,000, 15,000, 20,000, 17,000, 20,000 anyone. 17,000, 20,000. Here we go. $20,000, 20,000 bid, 20 bid, now T, 22,000, 20 bid, TT. Now pine, $25,000. 22, 25, 25,000 anyone. 25,000, 22 bid, 25 now. 25, 27,000, 21,000, 27,000, 26, 27, 26, 27,000, 26,000, 27,000. Do you want it? 27,000. 27,000 anyone. Now wait. 28,000. 28,000. 28,000. 29,000. 29,000. We're rolling now. 29,000. 29,000. 30,000 on a bid. 30,000 bid. 30,000 bid. Now one. And 31,000 on 31. 1 reserve. And 31,000 reserve is off now. 32,000 reserve is off. 31,000. 32,000. 33,000. 33,000 now. And 33,000 to the bid of 3 to 3,000 bid. 34,000 on 34,000. 33,000. 34,000 now 5. And 35,000 on 35. 5. 35,000 anyone. 35. 36,000, 36,000, 36,000 on half, 35,000, 36,000, anyone, 35,700, 37,000, 36,000, 37,000, anyone, 37,000, 37,000, 37,000, sir. Now 8,000, 38,000, 38,000, 37, 38 to you, sir. 38,000, 37, 38, 8. I'll give you time, sir. 37, 38, 38,000, 37,000, 38,000. You're all done. Anybody else? 37, 38, 8,000 on the bid. Anyone at 37 bid now? 38,000. Sold 37,000. Sold 37,000. Jordy Hunter, and here is Russ Conklin.